No, they are not planners, not wall art, not the digital products that people keep pushing on YouTube. These are three very different digital products that you probably never heard of that are actually making money right now on Etsy. And in fact, they are low competition and something that you can still get into. Actually, number two surprised me the most. But before I get into this, my name's AJ. I do all things digital products, AI, selling on Etsy, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos, tutorials dedicated just for you so you can make money online. And if you're interested in any of that, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now, let's get into this. Now, the first one on my list is backgrounds. Now, these are, if you like, studio design backgrounds, right? In this kind of cool, minimalist, beige kind of style. Really cool for those kind of photography, fine art, textured backgrounds that people really look for. And let me tell you something about backgrounds. The opportunity is huge. Now, this is a bundle of 80 backgrounds, which you can produce using prompts on ChatGPT, on Nano Banana, and all of that. And you've seen all my videos, hopefully, on how to create designs using prompts. So do make sure that you check it out. But it's not hard to do, right? These are very easy. Now, this pack, just to give you an idea, this bestseller makes about $500 per month, right? And there is a massive opportunity in this niche, guys, in this kind of backgrounds niche, because there are many different types of backgrounds, right? So if I just show you just very quickly the kind of backgrounds that there are, and it is actually an endless niche, and a lot of people don't know about it and do not get into it, and it actually shocks me. Now, different kind of backgrounds, for example, Zoom backgrounds, right? That's another niche that people look for, right? But honestly, this is just touching the surface because there are niches out there. Now, if I just show you now very quickly, look, here are sort of different types. In fact, look at this. You can see that these are really nice Zoom backgrounds. Some of them you can see different types, okay? Different types of backgrounds, guys. There's Christmassy backgrounds. Remember, guys, there are many things that people use backgrounds for, right? It is not just for Zoom. And it's not just because people want to use backgrounds in their designs. People might want to use it for podcasts, right? Remember, the digital age that we're living in, most people are doing things online, right? So there's huge opportunities, whether it be podcasting, whether it be speaking online. And then you've got the different types of backgrounds that people want. During Christmas, people might want Christmassy backgrounds of a room, right? Decorated, right? They might want Halloween backgrounds. They might want high-end backgrounds. They might want office backgrounds. If they're working in a medical field or teachers, they might want a classroom or a medical background. It is absolutely endless. Okay, guys, so this is the second one, the one that I really like. Like, this is crazy, right? In fact, actually, for the third one, the last one that I've got a really gem of an idea for you that you could do. But let's say for this one, right? This is your neutral baby announcement, digital pregnancy reveal, right? Editable Canva template. Now, listen, guys, on this video, I'm not going to show you how to create these, but honestly, these are so simple to create using whether it be, prompts on AI art, using design platforms like Kittl, where you can use a Nano Banana and other things. And don't forget, do check out my Kittl platform where I can design these. You can check out the link in my description. And I've got a whole playlist of Kittl anyway, so I can really help you understand how to design. But I've got 25% off all the plans. You can try it out for free anyway. But this, guys, is crazy because people love to announce things, whether it be wedding, whether it be pregnancy, on social media, and sometimes even just having it as a bit of wall art, like this, which is really beautiful, or this, like I said, social media post, really nice. And people love this. And the beauty about this niche is that everyone's got different tastes. So people will like different things. I mean, one person might like these kind of more neutral beige. You got this really cute sort of, the teddy bear and, and the whole kind of background theme, whereas someone else might not. They might like something different. And this is where you have opportunities to sell this. Anyway, this is a bestseller bomb. It's got 20 plus in a basket. It's ready to go. Selling really well. It's making $1,384. It's only a 2-month-old listing, guys. Look at that opportunity. It's making $1,384. Now, Remember what I said to you? I said to you, there are many opportunities out there with this. Now, think about this. This is huge. Not only is the opportunity, the normal opportunity of creating different designs or a bundle of these, but guys, when a baby is born in Christmas, around the Christmas period, born around New Year's period, born around Easter, born around Halloween, then there's an amazing opportunity to create other bundles of these kind of announcements, digital pregnancy reveals with that Christmas feel, with that Halloween feel. And you can imagine how you'd do this. You'd have maybe pumpkins for Halloween around, really cool, maybe those kind of really nice candles and that kind of thing. And this makes it even more personal and makes it even more current to the time that the baby is due, right? There are amazing opportunities within the baby announcement or the digital pregnancy reveal niche, honestly. And again, this can be done very quickly, easily in Canva. And the only thing that you'd need to have is make it sure it's editable so that the person maybe or the buyer can maybe just edit the name of the baby in the middle. That's the only kind of thing that you'd give them in terms of editing. So you'd create a link on Canva, send them the link, and through the link, they can edit the name of the baby. That is all, right? That is all, right? Anyways, let's move to the third one because this is phenomenal, guys. Now, guys, let me tell you something about the teaching or the educational niche. It's absolutely massive, huge. There are opportunities all over the place. Now, this is about educational posters. And the great thing about AI art now is that the writing part can be done really well now. It was actually a problem before, hence why people couldn't really do this using AI that well. Now, this is a bundle of 24 educational posters, right? Whether it be for days, whether it be numbers, letters. And this is for kids, but younger children, right? You can see the type of educational posters. Let me tell you actually how much it makes. This is a bestseller bomb. Now, these can be created really easily. The beautiful thing about this is that teachers are always looking for designs and posters and things to show the children and visuals, right? It's very important in terms of the curriculum. Look, I'm an ex-teacher. I know this is big. Now, this digital product, this bundle of 24 makes $2,450 per month. It's a 7-month-old listing, guys, only. And imagine one listing making that much. It's crazy, right? Now, I tell you where the opportunities lie. In high school, there are subjects that are taught: science, maths, English, history, Now, imagine you can create bundles of visuals for different subjects. So, for example, history, it might be talking about World War One, and you have visuals on that. Or it might be science, and you're talking about photosynthesis, right? Or it could be maths and some kind of algebra, right? Something like that. There are many opportunities for these, and there's not enough of these visuals, and there are definitely not enough good ones out there. Now, with AI art, we can create fantastic visuals, fantastic things. And, teachers are looking for this all the time, whether they want to put it on their screen, whether they want to put it up on the wall, actually print them out. I'm telling you, this is massive. And with the different age groups that there are opportunities to have for the different ages and also for the different subjects. So this is what I'm trying to say. And there's different tiers that you can work on. So it's an endless opportunity, an endless niche, right? And these can be done really quickly. Again, I'll keep saying it. They can be done using, say, Canva, or they can be done in Kittl, my go-to design platform. You can see the link below. Honestly, it is absolutely one of the easiest thing to do and one of the best opportunities out there. The educational niche is phenomenal, guys. But listen, I'm going to leave it there. If you want another 3 digital products you've never heard of, guys, or you didn't know about, or you didn't know that could make money, then remember, drop it in a comment below. Just say 3 more or say more, and I'll do another video, guys. But remember, if you did like this video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Take care, and I shall see you on the next one.